Gonna con todos mis cuz. What's good, y'all? Hope you guys are all having a good day today. I just got the Civic back. I took it to the dealer because I might have tore the CV boot when lowering my car. Who knows? Who knows if it was me? I doubt it was me because when I put it on, I didn't see no grease, so who knows? As you guys can tell from the title today, I'm going to be installing my intercooler. So the intercooler, I ended up going with PRL just because I didn't want to cheap out on probably the most important mod that you can get on a boosted car, which is an intercooler. You want to have your car running as cool as possible, and honestly, I feel like PRL has the best kit for that. So, got the boxes in the back. I'm going to be installing them today. Hopefully it's not too bad of an install. I've never installed an intercooler before. One of my friends has, so hopefully he can help me a good amount just so that we can get this process done as quick as possible. But yeah, we're gonna be installing that, and then probably get like a little, I mean, I don't really know how much an intercooler makes a difference, but I'm gonna be checking to see how much different the car feels with it on. But it's kind of cold out here. It's 59 degrees, so I mean, it's not stupid hot. So I'll probably make like a kind of more detailed review whenever it gets warmer, because right now it's pretty cold still. I hate driving one hand, but yeah, I'll hit you guys up whenever we get there. What's good, y'all?
Was that one little tool that Alvaro had?
So they've been at it for like 30 minutes, taking off the bumper.
We've been sipping up.
Look. He thinks he's a mechanic now.
Hey. Hold on. The guys at the dealer were like, yeah, man, if you need anything, let me know. I was like, all right. I'm gonna blow my motor. You got me?
Be like
they're
me.
hella cool, because I went in and they're like, oh, they're like, what'd they say? I was like, oh, should I wait outside? Because he was on the phone. I was like, no, you're good. He's like, you're chilling right here. And I was like, oh, for sure. He's like, yeah, don't worry, bro. Like, we all got COVID. Don't get scared. And I was like, I already had that shit. And he's like, you had it? I was like, I was just kidding, bro. We haven't got it. And I was like, oh, shit. I was like, ah, fuck. I was like, yeah, I got it like in December. And he just started asking me how was it? I was like, that's cool. And he's like, oh, you know,
I got played caught all day.
yeah, I was like, it's cool, bro. I was getting caught all day. Getting caught. And look at these charge parts, they're hella small.
Where are they at? This is the charge pipe?
Yeah.
That's hella small. Mine is like this thick.
Look at the
Yeah, that's how big mine are.
just so y'all know, we don't cheap out. I need PRL to sponsor me. Now look. Come check it out. Look. PRL. Look. PRL. I just need the downpipe to be PRL.
PRO needs a sponsor right here.
I mean, it's just like the same size. Yeah, there is like some kind of coating inside. Dope. I can open this.
You're barely opening it right now?
They're all gonna be silicone.
Nah, I think. What is this? Yeah, mine's just aluminum. I think the cold side is this is the cold side.
Is it?
Yeah, it has the map sensor right here.
I don't know what the fuck this is for.
This is the hot side. Those thing is for these.
Oh my god, Connor, thank you. From PRL Connor. Packaged and cared with Connor.
doesn't come with instructions?
Nope. We're smart. We didn't need those.
Sheesh. Dirty ass Honda. Look at that. Look at that. Hasn't washed it in like weeks.
This is my turbo.
No. The turbo's... No. Turbo's right here, look. This little orange thing right there.
No.
Yeah, look. Sucks in the air through here.
This is a turbo that's supposed to be a little smaller.
Yeah. They're all like 6 minutes.
What's good, YouTube? It's been like, what, 2 days? 2 days since we finished the intercooler install. And the last time that, or earlier today when I was driving it, I tried brake boosting and the whole, was it the right side intercooler, one of the pipings came off. So once again, gotta take off the bumper. We just fixed it, so I didn't really record whenever I installed it, so you guys didn't really get to see it. But basically how it is. We spray painted the PRL with which is like regular black gloss paint. So if you guys are ever wondering what you guys need, that's all I use. I mean, I don't think you need a specific paint, but yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the install. So anybody that's new to the channel, basically my mod list is PRL street, cold air intake, PRL flex fuel kit, PRL charge pipes, and PRL intercooler with PLM downpipe and front pipe, and then a Type R exhaust. There was a couple comments that wanted me to do a exhaust video, so probably after I drop this video, I'll probably do a exhaust video just so you guys could hear how it sounds. But yeah, other than that, pretty much the install. I didn't really make a to-do just because there's already a couple videos out there. But I do know that whenever you do get the intercooler, you get these like these little support brackets. But I didn't put them on just because I didn't know how to do it. And a lot of videos that people posted, they didn't really explain it. So I just didn't even bother. But I mean, it's pretty on there. It's on there pretty tight. The only support bracket that I did put on was this bracket. And they do include that in the kit. So you put this one on. Well, I put that one on. And then I also put the stock one in the back. I don't know if you guys can really see it. It's kind of dark. Right here, this one. I put this one on. This one's from the stock one. So I put that one on. And it's been holding on pretty good. It doesn't really shake or anything like that. So if any of you guys need any advice for that, that's all I did. So you guys can put on whatever you guys want. But I suggest you at least put those two on. And make sure you guys tighten everything up good the first time. Because this bumper is a B word to put on and off. So make sure you guys tighten everything up because you do not want to do this again. This is the second time I take it off the bumper, and honestly, it's a freaking pain. And it'll be even more of a pain if you're doing it by yourself. So just make sure you guys do that the first time. But yeah, I'll probably get like a cold start video just so that anybody that wanted to hear the exhaust, you guys could hear it. But yeah, the intercooler, in my opinion, is a thumbs up for these cars. The stock intercooler is pretty trash. Let me show you guys that real quick. This thing is so small that you can literally carry it with one hand. Like the comparison is like ridiculous. Look at this. It sounds so cheap too. Look at that difference. Go down a little bit. Like just to go right under it. Look at that difference, bro. And that the thickness isn't even like, you can't even compare the thickness. It's crazy. But yeah, the only thing I would suggest you guys is to not cheap out on this. Make sure you guys get a good quality intercooler. I know that Mishimoto and Engine make pretty good ones. So if you guys don't want to go PRL, make sure you guys go something like that, just because they have been proven to be one of the best, like the best 3 right now. So yeah, all the other ones do work better than the stock one, but I'm just saying, if you guys are already spending the money, might as well buy something that's quality. Pretty much it for this video, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.